there. So let's make this about that long. Look, Ma, no hands. I want it to go that way. Yep, that side. Ta-da! Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. That's ready. Let's go. 388. Okay, that hole. Center of hole. There. So let's start our first hole right there. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, mark, mark. Okay, we need to go up one size bigger. Slides into place. Look at that. See, that's what I want. There's a hole. Now, a lot of people ask me about my clamps, and I really wanted to do this because this is slightly different from what I have. This is a Sash clamp. These are very common in Europe. You can actually buy the kits there. I have not found a place where I can buy these kits in the US, though there are a few places in Europe that will ship them over here. I haven't found any. These were actually sent to me by a fan, and I'm really, really happy because I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. So a Sash clamp is an old style that's very, very similar to the beam clamps that I've been using, but being still available, it's something you can still buy. All of my clamps that I get asked about quite a bit are beam clamps, and rather than having a bolt going through, there's a detent underneath, so it's a little faster to slide them and connect them. I love this design, and they're very hard to find. They're old, and the only place you can find them is antique stores and tool meets. So if someone ever did make the hardware for this, I would be all over it. I haven't found yet anyone who would do that. I do have an old video where I worked with Wildman Tech, and he actually made this set of hardware for it. And he had talked about being able to make these for other people, but I haven't found one commercially available yet, other than the Sash clamp style. So I will leave a link to the Sash clamps down below if you want to see those. And if anyone does know of a company that still makes these underclip beam clamps, I would love to hear about that. Or if there's a company out there who would like to work with me on making them for sale, I would be glad to work with that. One of those things rolling around the back of my mind of possibly making these for sale someday, but I don't know, we'll see. So there you have it. I hope this answered a few questions, but I do get a lot of questions about the beam clamps that I use and where to find them and how to get them, and people then sending me links to Sash clamps. I may end up getting a few more of these in the future. They are a great clamp to have, and they're incredibly powerful. And the nice thing about it is you want a longer clamp, well, you just get a longer beam and put more holes out there. They work very, very well. So maybe I'll get some more of those in the future, or maybe I'll be able to find a company that's willing to make these. So let me know about that. If you do have any questions, comments, ideas, let me know those down below. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon. I know I say it every week, but really without the patrons and members here on the channel, people who've clicked that join button, this channel would not exist. So thank you for that. If you do ever meet anyone who's scrolling over here on the side, make sure to tell them thank you, because they are the ones literally keeping the lights on here. So I think that'll about do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. This is a topic that has kept me clamped to my seat. I mean, just absolutely pinned to where I'm sitting. Just look at how riveting this is.
That was probably the worst one yet. It wasn't just one.